Here's how to spool up with the Beyond Fishing Easy Line Spooler. Out of the package, you're gonna see these couple nuts right here. You're gonna take off the bottom nut and then leave the top nut and the locking screw on. You're gonna come to this top hole right here and put it through, and then take your bottom nut and screw it on. You can use a pair of pliers or simply use your fingers to lock it into place. And it's super important you get this really tight. Put it onto any flat surface. We have this ultra strong clamp with these non-slip grips. You're then gonna unlock this first nut. So break a hole in your spool of line, and then you're gonna take the pointy nut and you're gonna put it through. You're gonna take the spring, and then you're gonna take your locking nut. You have to compress it to make sure there's tension on the spool. So make sure both of those springs compress, use 2 hands to lock it down, and then simply tighten your nut. The direction you clamp is the direction you spool. So you can see that I've clamped on this side of the table, I should be pulling against it that way. Now you're gonna take your line and you're gonna spool it through all of your guide and then tie it to your reel. And then simply all you're gonna do is reel in, and you're spooling up nice and tight with tension, no wind knots, no tangles, all super easy to use with the Beyond Fishing Easy Line Spooler.